In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by launching Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Now, if you wanna, tap on Vibrate at the top to mute your device fully, leaving only vibrations. If you want to enable incoming calls vibrations for incoming calls that are not muted, select Ring on the left, first to unmute your device, and then click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing. If it's not available, you need to disable silent mode. If it's still not available, scroll down and click on Vibration and Haptics. Then click on this switcher at the top, go back, swipe up, and use this one next to Vibrate while ringing to disable or enable it. Let's go back to Vibration and Haptics though, because here, after using this switcher to decide you want to enable haptics on your phone, you can switch them off or turn them on for all of those features by tapping on the switchers next to them. So, as I mentioned a second ago, vibrate while ringing, vibrate first, then ring gradually, notification vibration, alarm, touch, and media. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!